All right, y'all, here's a 1970 F100. As you can see, it's been Coyote swapped. And we also did a Crown Vic front suspension on it. You can see the Crown Vic up underneath there. So we also did the E-Pass, the electronic power steering that came from a 21 Mustang GT, and then the Crown Vic front end came from 07 Crown Victoria. Got a Gen 3 Coyote in here, and went ahead and just took the whole front clip off, and then we cleaned it up real nice and did a Raptor liner on the inner fender wells, and then the firewall and all that good stuff. But overall, I think under the hood it turned out pretty nice. We did a American Auto Wire wiring harness, power by the hour, engine and trans harness for the Coyote swap. Dressed up a little bit, you know, stock-ish brakes, and little things like the hood hangers or the hood arms or whatever. New radiator, got the Resto Mod air conditioning, AC unit behind the dash, and condenser up here, evaporator, all that good stuff. Turned out really nice. We're not gonna do anything with the body. The bed, I just now got it off. It's sitting outside right now because we're gonna clean up this frame, and then we're gonna put this guy in there. That is a 2019 Mustang GT rear IRS. So it's 355 gears, CV axle driven, disc brakes all the way around. And we got that fuel cell that's gonna go in here as well. So we got a lot of work to do. We got to clean this frame up. We got to hack off these leaf spring hangers, get the rear end out of there, paint that frame, get it all dolled up and looking good. And we're going to come back in this weekend and install that rear IRS in here. Shouldn't be too difficult. I feel like I'm a pro now because I watched a couple YouTube videos. And if I'm being honest, I have no clue what I'm doing, but I think I will be able to figure it out. I did buy the Range Industries Bolt-on IRS kit, so I don't know, can't be that difficult, I'm assuming. I watched a couple of videos on some guys installing that kit, and it doesn't seem too difficult. I think the biggest thing was trying to miss the fuel tank. I noticed a couple of guys were having issues trying to find a good fuel cell that would fit and still miss the sway bar of that IRS. So I don't know. I think that one should be fine. We're gonna do a rear mounted battery, or a frame mount. So the battery is gonna mount right there. Got a nice Optima battery, and yeah, overall I think this thing's gonna turn out pretty nice. Interior kit. I did a TMI full interior kit. I blacked out the rear, and I did floor pans in this thing. Again, the American Auto Wire wiring harness, dash kit, new seats from TMI, headliner, and all that stuff is gonna go in here. Flaming River steering column. That turned out really, really nice. I'm super happy with that steering wheel and steering column combo. Dakota digital gauges, and then I'm going to get I also got new door cards and all that good stuff. So it's going to be black with white stitching, so I think it's going to look nice in here. We're going to clean all this stuff. We got all new window sweeps, and we got new wing mirror seals and all that good stuff too. Got a new gasket for the back window. Because the back glass, it's bad. See all that? We're gonna put a new back glass in it and all that. Electronic emergency brake. So that's gonna be kind of cool. But stay with me. I'll post a couple more videos on the build as I get closer and closer to it. Thanks.